Now this one is the more interesting one because we need to do our rice table. So let's do that. So we have 0.2 moles of phosphorus pentachloride. So I'm just going to write 1 PCl5, 1 PCl3, and 1 Cl2. They're all in a 1-to-1, and they've given us 0.20 moles here. Very important with all these gas ones is the volume, because we need to work with concentrations at the last step. And then at equilibrium for this one, we have one of the substances in moles, which is down here, 0.16 moles. So that's everything we're given. Now let's fill out the rest in another color. So as products, these would start at 0. Therefore, the change for chlorine must have been plus 0.16. And since everything's 1-to-1, all of the products would have the same plus 0.16, and any reactants would have minus 0.16. So then at equilibrium, that's the number of moles of each substance. Okay, but please don't forget that. So remember, C is moles over volume, so we need to divide all of these by 2 to get the concentration in moles per liter before we put it into the KEQ. So I'm just going to write concentration down here. We get 0.02 moles per liter, 0.08 moles per liter for each of those. And now we can do the last step. Let's see if everyone's on the same page. Does everyone get the same value? Awesome. So we would have A for that one.